Hello students, welcome to Substance classes. Today we'll be solving questions from the CAT 2018 question paper. The questions in particular that we'll be doing is on the quantitative aptitude portion and came in the slot 1 of the exam. Let's start off with the question. So firstly we are doing question number 24. So as you can see, this question number 24, this is a question which is based on ratio and proportion. Okay, so here question is very interesting. Here it has been said that there are two persons, Raju and Lalita, and they had marbles in the ratio of 4:9. Thereafter Lalita gave some of her marbles to Raju, and because of that the ratio of the number of marbles that Raju has with respect to Lalita now became 5/6. So the question that has been now asked is that what fraction of her original number of marbles was given by Lalita to Raju? Okay, so originally Raju and Lalita had marbles in the ratio of 4:9. So we can take, if this is Raju and then we have Lalita, so originally the ratio of they had suppose 4x marbles and 9x marbles. Now suppose Lalita gave away 9 marbles from her to Raju. So now Raju will have 4x plus y marbles, while Lalita will now have 9x minus y marbles. And this ratio of 4x plus y by 9x minus y is equal to 5/6. We solve this. So we'll get 24x plus 6y is equal to 45x minus of 5y. So this will give us that 11 of y is equal to 21x, and we'll finally get that y by x is equal to 21/11. Okay, so now the fraction that we're supposed to find out. We're supposed to find out the fraction of her original number of marbles. What fraction of her original number of marbles was given by Raju to Lalita? So Lalita gave away y marbles, and originally she had 9x marbles. So this is the ratio that we are supposed to find out. So 1/9 into y by x. Y by x we have already found out, 21/11. So upon cancelling the numerator and the denominator by 3, we get 7 over here and 3 over here. So the ratio that we are looking for is 7/33, which is given by option 2 over here. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 25, and it is again based on the same topic of ratio and proportion. There is also some profit percentage and related things associated in this particular question. So what is the question? The question is that there was a wholesaler, and that wholesaler, he bought peanuts and walnuts. Okay, now what is the price of the walnut? There is a condition placed upon the price of the walnut and that of the peanut. So the price of the walnut per kg is 3 times that of the price of peanuts per kg. That is, if the price of peanut per kg is x, then that of price of walnut per kg will be thrice of x. Okay, thereafter what he did, he then sold 8 kg of peanuts at a profit percent of 10%, and he also sold 16 kg of walnuts at a profit percent of 20% to a particular shopkeeper. Okay, now that shopkeeper will sell that stuff, but when he tried to sell that stuff, that shopkeeper, the wholesaler sold to the shopkeeper, the shopkeeper will now again sell it to earn profit. Okay, to earn his business. That shopkeeper, he lost 5 kg of walnuts and 3 kg of peanuts in transit. Okay, so he lost 5 kg of walnuts. How many kg of walnuts he had initially? He had 16 kgs of walnut. So now he has 16 minus 5, 11 kgs of walnut, and 3 kgs of peanuts were also lost. So initially he had 5 kgs of peanuts, now he has lost 3 kgs. So he now has he had 8 kg of peanuts, he lost 5 kg. So now, and he lost 3 kgs of peanuts. So now he will have 5 kgs of peanuts. So he has now 11 kgs of walnuts and 5 kgs of peanuts. So ultimately he has a total 16 kg of nuts, we can say. What he did thereafter? He then mixed all those nuts and he sold that mixture at a rate of 166 per kg. So he sold the entire 16 kg of the mixture at a rate of 166 rupees. And he earned a profit of 25% overall. So now we need to find out at what price did the wholesaler buy the walnuts. Okay. So let me insert a page for this structure, or we can do it over here itself. So he had walnuts and he had peanuts. So price per kg. So the price of walnut per kg is thrice that of peanut. So if price of peanut per kg is X, that of walnut will be thrice of X. Okay. So initially 8 kgs of peanuts were sold at a profit of 10%. So the wholesaler's buying price was, he bought it at he bought 8 kgs of peanuts at 8x rupees, and then he sold at a 10% profit. So 10% of 8x will be 0.8x. So he sold that peanuts at a total price of 8.8x. Okay, and he also sold 16 kgs of walnuts at a profit of 20%. So basically, if the price of walnuts is, so he sold 16 kgs of peanuts at a price of 20%, so 120 by 100. Okay, so this is ultimately equal to 0 and 0 will cancel out. So we have 6 over here, 5 over here. So we have 16 into 18, which will be basically equal to 8, then 4. So we have 128 into 16. So we have 8 over here, 8 over here, and then 2 over here. And this will be divided by 5. Okay, so we have 5 over here, 25, then we have again at 38. So we have a 7 over here, so this will be 35 again. So this will be so this comes down to 3, then we have a point over here, then 57.6. so 57.6 was 6x was the price for the, this is for peanuts and this is for walnuts, and he sold this entire structure to the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper's cost price, shopkeeper's cost price will be 8.8x plus 57.6x. So this will be 66.4x. So 66.4x is the cost price of the shopkeeper. So now he has 16 kg. I have already said that he was left with 16 kg of mixture. So 16 kg of mixture at a rate of 166, and he earned a profit of 25%. So 125 by 100 into 66.4. Okay, 66.4. And this will give us x will be equal to 32. So the cost price of the wholesaler for buying peanuts is 32, and therefore the cost price of his walnuts will be thrice of that, will be 32 into 3, 96, and 96 is the answer given by option 3 over here. Okay, let's move to the next question, which is question number 26. So question number 26 is based on circles. It is a geometry based problem and very interesting to solve. So in this question it has been said that in a circle with center O and radius 1 centimeter, we had an arc AB. Now that arc AB makes an angle of 60 degrees at that arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the origin, at the center of the circle. Now it has been said that the area bounded by that arc and the two radii OA and OB, let that region be denoted by R. Okay. Now C and D are 2 points which are lying on the radius OA and OB respectively, such that OC is equal to OD. And it has been said that the area of that triangle OCD is half that of R. In that case, we need to find out the length of OC. So let us first draw the diagram. So this is the center O and this is the circle. Now we have an arc AB and this is O and this is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. So now it has been said that O and OA equal to OB. OA is equal to OB and both of them are equal to 1 centimeter. Radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. So this arc AB makes an angle of 60 degree. So basically, since it is making an angle of 60 degrees, so the area which is covered by this arc and the two radii is basically 1/6 of the area of the entire circle. And what is the area of the entire circle? Area of the entire circle is pi into 1 square. So total area of the circle is pi. So total area of circle is equal to pi into 1 square, which is equal to pi centimeter square. And it has been said that the region bounded by this, which is denoted by A, that arc makes an angle of 60 degree. So see, if it is making an angle of 60 degree, we can basically say that this region R is 1/6 of the total area of the circle. So therefore we can say that R is equal to pi by 6 centimeter square. Fair enough. Now it has been said that there are 2 points. Here it is one point C and there is another point D over here. And this triangle OCD area is half that of R. So area of triangle OCD is equal to R by 2, which is R by 12 centimeter square. Now OC and OD are equal, okay, and the angle here is 60 degree. So CD must be also equal to OC and OD. So we can say that this is OCD is an equilateral angle. So triangle OCD is an equilateral triangle. So if this is an equilateral triangle, that means we know that the area of an equilateral triangle, if the side length is A, is nothing but equal to √3/4 of A square, where A, we can say that A is equal to OC, A is equal to OD and A is equal to CD. Okay, this is equal to pi by 12. So this implies that 4 and 12 we have 3 over here. So A square is equal to pi by 3√3 centimeter square, and that implies that A will be ultimately equal to pi by 3√3 centimeter. So the length of OC in this case will be pi by 3√3 to the power 1/2, which is given by option 4 over here. So option 4 over here is the correct option. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. If you have any doubt regarding the process that we have adopted over here, then you can comment in the comment section below. We'll try to reach out to you and help you out. Thank you very much.